This is a Calathea Medallion, also known as a peacock plant because of its beautiful foliage. Beautiful colors on the leaves. Also has the purple in the back, or burgundy. It's a very beautiful plant. This is a tropical plant. It likes to be moist, but not soggy. So what I usually do is I take the chopstick and I go all the way down the plant. And if it comes out wet, you don't need to water it because you don't want it soggy. And if the top's dry, I usually take the spray bottle and spritz it. Now this plant's been out on my counter in the kitchen. It's got overhead LED lights out there and it thrives well, and plus with the humidity, like with my other plants, I have the humidity going in here. And I'll eventually bring this plant back in here. Now, this other one is older and it's not even half the size. This one was in my den and wasn't watered well in there. It was getting too much sunlight. So this is what will happen if it's not watered well. It will get the brown curly leaves on it. So I did water this well, and I'm going to be cutting off some of these leaves, and it's already starting to perk back up. As you can see back here, this leaf is really bad. Doesn't have any insects, so it was the watering. It wasn't getting cared for in there. It was getting a little neglected. So I brought it out to the kitchen counter also. And we're going to cut off some of these leaves. Okay, I cut off some of these leaves. What I did was I went close to as I can to the bottom here and just cut some of these dead leaves off that were pretty bad. But this will eventually grow new leaves again. And I need to clean off all this here, all these dead pieces. Just clean it all out and it'll start growing back. There's already a new leaf starting to come right up in here since I watered it well the other day, and it will grow back. It'll get as big as this beauty right here. Like I said, just check your soil, make sure you water it well, but not soggy. Don't let it sit in water so don't get root rot. And you can spray this plant every now and then with your spritzer. And if you have any questions or comments about this plant, just write them in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.